Dekko Garments Limited's Green Factory in Bangladesh is an example of a successful reconciliation between the industry, people, and the environment that merges at the apex of sustainable businesses that will impact the future of our world. And when it comes to sustainable practices, every detail counts. Dekko Garments Limited's Green Factory is a carefully constructed architecture of sustainable and green development that allows the natural elements to operate at optimum levels within the compound. The open floor facility uses natural light and ventilation, allowing workers and employees to work under the best possible conditions. The sewage treatment plant reuses water for multiple purposes across the factory. The water collected from rainwater harvesting is used all over our facility. The solar panels power several components of the factory, which help lower our carbon footprint. Dekko Garments quality products push the boundaries of manufacturing. Our ever-efficient systems and monthly capacities are growing with our vision for innovation. Automation is a core unique feature for Dekko Garments' facility of the future. We have resourcefully applied automated systems within the factory's cutting, sewing, and finishing units that save worker hours and increase worker efficiency. We hold the welfare of our workers at the highest standards, where we accommodate for all their needs to create an ecosystem of support, safety, and regulation. Our globally recognized certifications are an indication of the most stringent maintenance and policy-regulated factories in the world. Our production portfolio includes the best quality garments produced by the highest skilled workers. Our quality control unit maintains and inspects every garment shipped out to our valuable clients from across the globe.